Hello, I'm Suzanne MacDonald from boatshedkent.com. Today we're going to have a look at this Fairline 4750, an absolutely gorgeous boat which has been the subject of some refurbishment from the current owner. We'll start on the aft deck. You can see flooring looks to be in good nick. Got plenty of locker space, access both from starboard side and port side to the side decks. There's your ladders taking you up to the fly bridge, which you'll be able to see on the still shots. Here aft we have the crew cabin, which is quite a good size. We lift off the cushions and simply open up to reveal the aft cabin area. I was quite taken by the aft cabin area. It's much more spacious than one would expect. You have two berths. Here's one single berth here looking towards the starboard side, and you can see wash hand basin with hot and cold water, and of course storage cupboards too. There's some windows, as well as obviously the steps leading to the hatch to the aft deck. And very cleverly secreted here is the toilet. And as we look to the port side, on the other berth, which actually you can just probably make out there's a space there. Again, it's a similar size to this one, so you can take two decent sized adults on these berths. Currently the owner has the pads, the sun pads, stored down below for safekeeping.